Well, here's the next section of the Bronco. As you can see, the rear wheel seal, the axle seal was leaking like a stuck pig. So new brakes, new axle seal, new gasket in the back. I did just put on brand new shocks, so it's got new rear shocks now. As you can see, the exhaust. And this front brake was hanging up, so the pads aren't destroyed, but I'm gonna put a new set of pads on it. I'm gonna clean it up, and the rotor or the caliper looks real new, so I think it was just hung up. I don't think the caliper is broken. So new caliper, or just clean up and some new pads, and the tie rod end was scary. It had a lot of play. So a new tie rod end. So anyway, this side looks okay. I'll just put the pads on, call it good. And I'll put some shoes on in the back. So eventually new springs are coming. I'm going to put new springs on it. Anyway. Alright, more come. Well, this is the last update for this video on the truck. We're getting ready to do this side of the brakes. We're putting the oil back in the rear end, the rear differential, and I don't think I got it quite torqued up enough because I got a little bit of seepage. Got to work on that. We put a new wheel bearing and seal on the other side. The front end, broke the brake hardware, so I'm getting the brakes hardware for it. And then we realized the more we looked, the more we found. And like, if you see here, you see the U-joints are just garbage. They're just awful. The other side is, holy cow. Look at this. So right there's the U-joint. So the U-joint's just devastated. So he said, well, let's just fix it while it's here. So it's going to stay on the hoist a little longer. We're going to fix the front end. I'm going to put new springs, new coil springs on it because the coil springs are pretty torn up. New shocks, probably new wheel bearings, probably new ball joints, new U-joints, polyurethane bushings, all for a plow truck. But it'll be solid when it's done. Anyway, so the rest of it seems all right. Anyway, so looks like it's coming. Anyway. So hopefully I might even be able to find a set of tires. Anyway, so that's what we got. It's a snowy day, New Year's Eve, or New Year's weekend. It's like the 2nd. Anyway, so a little update. This is the driver's side. U-joints are done. Very nice. New lockouts. Brakes look good. Everything seems to work good. I have not done the springs yet. I gotta do the springs and the shocks. The passenger side is all apart, and I have to pop it loose, But then once I get this loose, I can do this side drive shaft, and then I'll be good. So, and you gotta pop it loose right back there on the rubber, which you can't hardly see in the camera because it's. But anyway, so this side was about, so this side's done as far as this goes. The coil springs are over there, and the shocks are in the box. So that's where it's at.